guys, what's up? So I'm just in my car chilling because I wanted to start doing vlogs on this channel, but I just need to find a better way to set up the stupid phone. Anyways, I'm just hanging out by myself in my car and I ordered me some Starbucks drinks. I feel like a pig every time I order like one or more drinks at Starbucks. So this one, it's the drink that I always get at Starbucks. It's the Grande Starbucks Double Shot Extra Ice. Can you guys see that? So freaking good. And then this drink I discovered on Pinterest because this gal posted it, and it's the mango dragon fruit lemonade blended. You guys, this is like game changer. Next time I'm gonna get this in a friggin' venti. It's so good. Well, anyways, I hope you guys are taking care of each other, taking care of yourself. You guys make sure you check out my other 2 videos and subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be posting more vlogs if you guys, I know, like, subscribe to this channel, and I promise to upload more vlogs frequently if you want to see this face here. Okay, bye guys.